Yes, and we were looking for signs that we could be primed for some kind of relief rally like we had back in October or June. But if you look, we still aren't at that point where this market is so bad that it's good, where it's just incredibly washed out and set up for a big rally. So all the technical statistics that we look at, things like percentage of names above their 50-day moving average or 200-day moving average, they're just kind of in middling territory. So that means that in the very near term, we don't have the kind of setup for a big rally. And it means that really the eyes really will be focused on the pressure from both valuation, from higher interest rates, which are being driven by better growth statistics, and then on the earnings front, which we'll hear more from as we enter earnings season in the next couple of weeks.
Hello and welcome back to Cryptolenium. Breaking. Rumors are circulating that DCG is under investigation by the DOJ and New York attorneys. Also, the market is currently rallying, with Cardano seeing an upward spike of 20%. So without further ado, please like and subscribe and let's dig in. As we follow the story, we'll dig into this first. Digital currency group under investigation by US authorities. And specifically, they're investigating internal transfers from DCG to its subsidiary Genesis. If you managed to catch our previous video summarizing this entire situation between Gemini, Genesis, we talked about how Cameron Winklevoss actually accused Barry Silbert of commingling funds between his subsidiaries. So you could say the flame is spreading. The investigation is primarily by the United States Department of Justice's Eastern District of New York and the Securities Exchange Commission, both separate investigations. The authorities are digging into transfers between DCG and its subsidiary crypto lending firm Genesis Global Capital, according to the report, which cited people familiar with the matter. Prosecutors have already requested interviews and documents from both companies, while the SEC is running a similar early-stage inquiry. As of yet, no indictment has been brought against DCG, nor has either U.S. agency provided any information about the case. A spokesperson for DCG said the company was unaware of any investigation, saying DCG has a strong culture of integrity and has always conducted its business lawfully. We have no knowledge or reason to believe that there is any Eastern District of New York investigation into DCG. If an investigation is confirmed, this could spill trouble for Bitcoin, as among other DCG subsidiaries, Grayscale Investments, media outlet CoinDesk, crypto exchange LUNC, and Bitcoin mining company Foundry are all run by them. Cointelegraph reported that most of Grayscale's trust funds are trading at a discount, with Ethereum Classic Trust trading at the deepest discount of 77% on January 4th, followed by Litecoin Trust at negative 65%, and Bitcoin Cash at negative 57%. If this contagion starts to take down DCG's subsidiaries like Domino's and Grayscale is affected, Bitcoin could see prehistoric prices. Because currently Bitcoin has seen a break above $17,000, which we have been waiting to see. Although this isn't an enormous upswing, it is a key resistance level. Earlier today, we did see titles such as sentiment among Bitcoin and Ethereum options traders flips bullish. And the reason for this is that Bitcoin and Ethereum open interest shows significantly more calls than puts. Calls where the strike price is lower than the spot price are in the money, as traders can buy the option for less than the market price and sell immediately. Similarly, puts where the strike price is higher than the spot price are in the money, as traders can sell the option above the market price. Being out of the money occurs when calls have a strike price above the market price, or puts have a strike price lower than the market price. And this refers respectively to the buying of options. These derivative products give holders the right but not the obligation to buy or sell the underlying asset at some future point for a predetermined price. And interestingly enough, the Q1 2023 Bitcoin open interest by strike price showed significantly more calls than puts, suggesting rising bullish sentiment among options traders. Bitcoin is favored in the $15,000 to $20,000 range, where the calls and puts are approximately even. This is expected, given that since the FTX collapse, Bitcoin has traded within this general price band. We're seeing the same thing with Ethereum, but it's generally considered to have a higher beta than Bitcoin. However, in a risk-off environment, this may not be the case. So as we're seeing this come to fruition, we also saw titles such as Cardano price hints 12% upswing in near term, but here's a catch. And some key points: the rising ADA price breaks local resistance of 26.6 cents. This is older, so we'll catch up to this, offering an additional confirmation for prolonged rally. The reclaimed 20-day EMA slope offers additional support for buyers to carry a bullish rally, and the intraday trading volume in the ADA coin is around 275 billion, indicating a 24% gain. And what I really like about this is ADA is pretty much up 24% in the last week or so, since this is dated about a few hours. So if you take a look here, there is a resistance trend line that's been carrying on for some time with lower highs. If we take a look here, we'll see that this weekly candle actually topped out at about 34.6 cents. So this will be a good time to see what others are saying about this rally. Since it's currently happening as we speak, Solana, Cardano both up 21% late Sunday, setting Monday highs. We will reiterate that these prices have not been seen since November. Cardano, the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, saw its price spike to 33 cents, a price not seen since November 19th. Meanwhile, Solana, which kicked off a remarkable run with an 11% jump in value on Monday, spiked again Sunday to $16.04, territory it hasn't seen since November 9th, when it was partway through a collapse of more than 50% over the prior 3 days in relation to FTX. And a fun fact, Solana saw the best first week of the year out of any top 20 coin, today clearing a 60% increase over 7 days. It's a remarkable rebound for Sol, which plummeted more than 41% in the wake of FTX collapse. This article claims that factors behind the rise of ADA this week are less clear. The blockchain's last major milestone was the implementation of its long-awaited Vasil hard fork. Still, there has been some recent buzz around Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson. If you follow our page, you would have been aware that ADA is among the top blockchains and is ranked number 1 as the blockchain with the most development activity in 2022 as a whole. The reason for this spike could be attributed to its extremely oversold condition based on the level of activity actually occurring on the blockchain. So it is a good day for crypto. Hopefully some of y'all collected some good profits, although this is not financial advice and we are in a bear market. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.